अमेज़ॉन प्राइम पर आने वाला एक नया रियलिटी शो जिसका नाम है द ट्रेटर्स, जिसका आज हुआ लॉन्च। आप सभी को बता दें कि इस शो को होस्ट करने वाले हैं करण जौहर। करण जौहर ने किया द ट्रेटर्स के सभी 20 कंटेस्टेंट्स को किया मीडिया के सामने प्रस्तुत। तो आइए मिलते हैं द ट्रेटर्स के इन 20 महारथियों से।
Firstly, thank you everyone for being here. We at Prime Video are absolutely thrilled to bring Traitors to India. It's one of the fastest growing reality TV formats in the world. Currently, it's been adapted in more than 30 countries. And what's amazing is that in pretty much every country that it's been adapted in, it's gone out to become a huge success with multiple seasons and a true cult fan following. And we're hoping that we'll be able to do the same in India as well.
Sorry, I'm not supposed to be nice to anyone. That's my mood, that's my expression right through the Traitors.
Okay.
I cannot be nice to you, I cannot wish you, and do not expect any pleasantries.
Correct.
Listen, I can't, it was very tough because this was like a show that I had to be literally like a disciplinarian, a principal, not only following the format because the format is outstanding and the best format of any reality show I think that has ever existed on planet Earth. But it is so tough because sometimes you also want to scream and shout at people because they are being absolutely idiotic and like literally like not seeing it, not reading the room. But that's what the great part of this game is, that it is like it's a mind beep. Like literally, like it really can mess your mind and make you like I used to go back every night with sleepless nights, like wondering what the hell's going to happen the next day. It keeps you on the edge. It's like a thriller. दर्शकों के लिए मैं क्या कहूँ, आप दूसरे कैप्टिव रियलिटीज देख चुके हो, वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा चीखना चिल्लाना तो होता ही है, यहाँ थोड़ा बहुत भी हुआ था, लेकिन इसमें दिमाग की सख्त ज़रूरत है। ये जो है ना, ये ऐसा शो है जो आपको खुद नहीं पता कि आपका नेक्स्ट मूव क्या होगा, कुछ नहीं जानते आप। जैसे कि है ये एक थ्रिलर है, एक मर्डर मिस्ट्री है, ये सब दोनों चीज़ों का मिश्रण है। इसमें 20 प्लेयर्स है, हम इन्हें कंटेस्टेंट्स नहीं बुलाते, इनको प्लेयर्स बुलाते हैं, और 3 ट्रेटर्स हैं, तो फिर ऑफ कोर्स मैथमेटिकली 17 इनोसेंट्स होंगे। तो रोज उन 3 जो ट्रेटर्स हैं वो उनको इनोसेंट की एक्टिंग करनी है, और इनोसेंस का जो है ना जी, आंखें हर जगह जा रही है कि ट्रेटर कौन है। तो जैसे कि हमारे मंत्रास हैं शो में कि यू नो कि ट्रस्ट इज रेयर, धोखा एवरीवेयर। आप किसी पे ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकते। हमने रिश्ते तोड़ते हुए देखे हैं, फ्रेंडशिप्स उजड़ते हुए देखे हैं, बहुत सारा जो ड्रामा एक्चुअली इमोशन से आता है, क्योंकि वाकई जब आप एक साथ रहते हो इतने दिनों के लिए तो एक इमोशन बन जाता है। फिर जब आपका दिल टूटता है, जब आपको लगता है कि ये तो धोखा है मेरे साथ, और वो आप पर्सनली ले लेते हो, आप भूल जाते हो कि ये आप किसी गेम का हिस्सा है। इतने पर्सनल हो जाते हो कि मैं भी होस्ट के नाते इतना ज़्यादा पर्सनल हो गया था, तो कभी कभी मैं बोलना चाहता था भैया ये इनोसेंट है, इनको बाहर मत निकालो, लेकिन वो मैं कहना चाहता था, फिर भी मेरा एक्सप्रेशन ऐसा स्ट्राइक था। I want to tell you guys, this is a roller coaster ride. आप जब देखोगे, और Amazon Prime हर थर्सडे को 3 एपिसोड्स ड्रॉप कर रहा है, आपको गुस्सा आ जाएगा, आपको चाहिए कि इसके बाद मुझे देखना क्या होगा। But listen, that's why we've kept it like that, because you know तरस और तड़प होनी चाहिए। As I've told you that I'm the master of ceremonies, we're in a location very far removed, which actually by night looks kind of spooky and you feel you could be in a haunted house. Not to say the location we are at was a haunted house, just putting it out there, it's beautiful, that property. But the atmosphere, वहाँ जो वातावरण है वहाँ ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ होने वाला है, वातावरण। तो जाहिर है जब मैं पहुंचा और जब मैंने सबको वेलकम किया, हमारे 20 सेलिब्रिटीज़ जो आए थे, तो उनको पता था कि ये एक राइड होने वाला है। तो फर्स्ट these 20 guys come in, and उसके बाद मैं जो हूँ, मैं 3 ट्रेटर्स को चुनता हूँ जब सब ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड होते हैं. They're all blindfolded. You choose the 3 traitors. Subsequently, only the 3 traitors, when they meet each other, know who the traitors are. सबको अभी पता है कि यहाँ हमारे बीच 3 traitors हैं, और that's when the fun begins. क्योंकि हर रात एक murder होता है, और फिर हर दिन सर्कल ऑफ शक में ये मुआयना होता है कि कौन है ट्रेटर. एंड इनवेरिएबली थिंग्स गो आइदर वे, बिकॉज जो इनोसेंस है वो इनवेरिएबली दे डोंट गेट इट राइट कि ट्रेटर कौन है. समटाइम्स दे हैव गॉट इट राइट, बट दैट आई वेट फॉर एवरीवन टू वॉच. लेकिन हर रात एक मर्डर जरूर होता है, और मर्डर उस तरह नहीं जैसे आप इमेजिन कर रहे हो. इट्स अ वर्चुअल मर्डर.
ओके.
वर्चुअल मर्डर मीनिंग शब्दों से उनको कहा जाता है कि आपकी रिहाई हो गई है, आपका मर्डर हो गया है, चले जाइए. और रातों रात जिसका भी मर्डर होता है उसे अपना बेचारा बैग पकड़ के पैक करके प्रॉपर्टी को छोड़ना पड़ता है. इमीडिएटली दे आर मर्डर्ड, एंड एवरी नाइट देयर इज अ मर्डर. इनिशियली जो 20 थे वो डिस्कस करते हैं कि ट्रेटर कौन है, और वहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा मुझे आता है क्योंकि मुझे सर्कल ऑफ शक के सिर्फ इर्द गिर्द घूमना है. मुझे देखना है, और मैं जानता हूँ सब कुछ, और उनकी लड़ाइयाँ वो सब एक दूसरे को देख के कह रहे हैं कि मुझे लगता है तू ट्रेटर है, मुझे लगता है तू ट्रेटर है. और ये सारे सब अपने अपनी राय उस सर्कल ऑफ शक में वहाँ बयां करते हैं. और वो सर्कल ऑफ शक जो है ना, इट्स द मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग पार्ट, क्योंकि यू एज एन ऑडियंस आपको पता है, यू आर इन ऑन द गेम. लेकिन वो लोग जो है ना, दे आर नॉट इन ऑन द गेम. तो वो आपको बुरा भी लग रहा है कि शिट व्हाट आर यू सेइंग, नो नो ही इज नॉट. आप you start playing that game, and that's the beauty of traitors, कि the interactive level between audience and show is the maximum. वो आपको किसी और रियलिटी शो में नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि आप बेड पे बैठे, घर पे बैठे, जहां भी आप देख रहे हो शो, यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग इन्वेस्टेड इन द गेम, लाइक यू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग बैक टू द गेम. जब लोग मॉनिटर रूम में देख रहे थे तो सब बात करते, अरे यार पागल है, ये नहीं है, ये सच, अरे चुप करो, ये झूठ है. यू स्टार्ट इंटरैक्टिंग. सर्कल ऑफ शक में ये सब होता है. And that's the most exciting part of the show, is the circle of shock. And then जब 3 traitors रात को मिलते हैं और वो जब डिसाइड करते तय करते कि मर्डर किसका है, that is the most like heartbreaking time. और फिर सुबह सुबह मुझे आके उस एक पर्सन की तस्वीर गिरानी होती है, क्योंकि वॉल पे सबके लगे हैं कि उनका मर्डर हो गया है, और फिर उनके चेहरे पे क्रॉस लग जाता है.
सर ये जो लैंड है ना, ये धोखेबाजों का है, ये ट्रेटर्स की ज़मीन है. तो जैसा देश वैसा भेस, और जैसा क्रिमिनल वैसा केस.
My sweet and innocent looking face. People don't think twice before trusting me. And what they don't know is behind this innocent face, there's this person who's always 5 steps ahead of them. So I'm gonna play my game, stay calm, and as soon as they put their guards down, checkmate.
Interesting. Now, I think charm doesn't work. It happens, first of all. But secondly, मेरे को आस्तीन में सांप पालने की बहुत आदत है, so I hope मैं वो escape कर पाऊँ. Because fingers crossed, I think I'm going to be very lucky this time.
मुझे सबसे बड़ा खतरा साहिल लग रहा है.
Hey, he's a
साहिल, I think Sahil is the biggest threat.
Huh?
I think people just think that being a red flag is about lying, manipulation, and deception. And all of that is true. But to do all of that, you require brains, which unfortunately most of these people don't have. So I don't know if I'm the biggest red flag, but I use more than one brain cell at all times.
First of all, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. There's nothing chocolatey or sweet about traitors. Let me just state that fact here. If you think there's anything which is going to be nice and sweet and homely about this show, you're in for a very big surprise. And as Apurva said, you know, it's not about your perception. It's about how you play and how you manipulate. So if these guys are thinking कि ये chocolatey है या ये बहुत sweet है, well, all the best to you guys then.
Yes, first I want to address Apurva. She said nobody uses more than one brain cell. Darling, I use all of them for a living. And yeah, my job is to stay unreadable for a living while reading everyone else. So yes, this game is right up my alley. It might not just be helpful to be a poker player, it might be actually dangerous.
जब भी मैंने लाइफ में एक मास्क पहना है सबको यही लगा कि ये बंदा मास्क के पीछे क्या छुपा रहा है एक मिस्ट्री है तो आई थिंक दैट मिस्ट्री माइट हेल्प मी इन दिस गेम ये कलयुग का शो है ट्रेटर्स इस पे पता नहीं चलेगा दोस्त कौन और दुश्मन कौन एक मिनट में यही स्ट्रैटेजी लेके आई एम गोना होप दैट जो मिस्ट्री है मेरे पीछे इट माइट हेल्प मी इन दिस गेम एंड लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट करण सर शो होस्ट कर रहे हैं तो वो नेपो हस्बैंड वाला कार्ड तो ज़रूर यूज़ करूँ.
Well, winning for me is very important because I haven't crossed continents to break into one of the toughest industries to play it safe. So I'm going to go as far as I have to go and I'm going to look good doing it and I'm going to do everything to win forever in life.
I'm winning right here, standing in front of all of you. Very good morning. And influence, I've been influencing since some of these traitors knew what content was, darling. So I'm here to win and influence.
सर इस स्टेज पे इस शो में ना मैं हंसाऊंगा ना मैं रुलाऊंगा मैं सिर्फ मारूंगा और बहुत लंबा मारूंगा. I am coming, the traitors. Thank you.
You called me innocent and calm. I may look innocent and calm. I may look cute even. But acting तो हमारे खून में है ना. And killing it with a little bit of confidence and killing it with a smile on my face, I think is my forte.
So you got
I think this is a reality show. I'm going to keep it real. Just be myself. And my strategy is going to be not have a strategy. Just be myself. Basically, that is what it's going to be.
Thank you for your question. ये एक धोखों का सा महासागर है एंड हर एक का धोखा देने का एक अपना स्टाइल है तो हर धोखे से और हर एक के धोखे से कैसे बचना है कैसे उसे डॉज करना है आई थिंक दैट विल बी इन माय फेवर.
एक्टिंग ही हर जगह करनी चाहिए और मैंने यहाँ भी वही किया है तो आपको एक बहुत खास कैरेक्टर देखने को मिलेगा पूरव झा का. ठीक है तो हर थर्सडे के लिए रेडी रहना.
हो सकता है ज़्यादा के साथ जाऊं बट मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये रहा है कि गेम शो में दोस्त कोई नहीं होता सब कॉम्पिटिटर होते हैं.
So for traitors, we were for the show. These players, we wanted them to be diverse bunch of players from all walks of life. But most importantly, everyone should have a unique trait that they bring for the to the show. And we're very lucky that we found these 20 incredible players who joined the show. Some of them, as you've seen, are sort of natural charmers. Some of them are strategic players, and some of them are just too innocent to play dirty.
We're all in an industry where trust is rare and dhoka is everywhere. But I was actually Nikhil. Came home one evening and said that I have something exciting to tell you about. And he said, it's a show called The Traitors and then we want you to host it. I'm like, who else, can host a show called The Traitors? And then, of course, I went and saw the international formats. I saw the UK version, the US version, which are already cult and loved and hugely popular shows. All into their third season, if I'm not wrong. I was just absolutely enthralled, invested, engaged, mesmerized by the sheer craziness of this supremely clever format. I don't know, it was apparently a format was created in, it was a Norwegian, it was a Dutch format, sorry. It's a Dutch format. I'm like, those guys are supremely clever to come out, and I loved it. And I was like pretty much on as soon as I saw that, and I was like, let's do it, because it seemed so exciting. It was different from every other reality show that is on any kind of platform. And I was like, this is something I haven't done, and here you don't need to be inauthentic. The thing is, in many reality shows, we are also fraudulent. You know, on a daily basis, we are crying when we don't want to cry, or we are laughing loudly when we don't want to laugh. Here, it's none of that. It's all actually real-time drama, and you're reacting authentically. There's no put on. Everyone is being an authentic self. You're really feeling betrayed. You're really feeling hurt. You're really feeling happy or empowered. You basically are the most authentic self of yourself. And I think that's what really excited me.
So this is a great question, because unlike other formats, the host is not present throughout the gameplay. But whenever the host enters the show, they sort of create chaos and maximum impact. So when we were looking to see who should sort of host the show, we wanted someone who's warm but can also be intimidating, someone who you can have a great conversation with, but also someone who's larger than life and extremely charismatic. And Karan was the sort of obvious choice. His command on storytelling, his experience, his ability to create emotion and drama and tension is sort of unparalleled. And when you see him, you've seen a glimpse, but when you see him on the show, you'll understand what an amazing impact that he's had on the show to make it even more riveting. And thank you, Karan, for agreeing to do this.
Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. So that's what happens, is basically in the circle of shock, everybody tries to spot the traitor. And then they take a consensus. So the maximum votes given to X person is then doomed traitor and then is made to leave. But before leaving is asked, are you a traitor or are you an innocent? And that's the moment to really watch out for. Because when they get it wrong, you can tell the collective gasp of all the conspirators, like, shit, we got it wrong. And when they get it right, literally, I won't give you any spoilers, but there was one moment when perhaps they got it right, and I felt they were going to jump on me as well, and that's not the format, because I'm the host and you have to be really keep a distance from me, but I could feel the energy in that room. So that's how one gets eliminated. But the three traitors also every night meet under the clock tower and they murder one person. So there are 2 eliminations every day. You mean business in every moment of, like, literally when I used to wear these long coats and arrive every day, and I felt like I was in character myself. So I feel like you can't communicate with any player. I can't talk to them, even though I'm friendly with some. Mahip is one of my dearest friends. I wasn't even looking at her, and she was getting really hassled because she kept like looking for some validation, some smile, like somebody, and I would just give her the dirtiest looks ever because I'm not meant to engage. I'm not meant to talk. I cannot be caught like in the corridors of that hotel and even being spoken to. If that happens, they will be asked to leave. They're breaking format. So it was exhausting as to go back to my hotel room and feel like, when I go under the shower and feel like, oh God, I feel like an entire, like, you know, truckload of baggage has gone off my, like, because the whole day you're being so strict, disciplinarian, you're in the mode, you're following the format, you're being aggressive, angry, and strict all the time. I'm not all those things on a daily basis, though many would believe maybe I am, but like I'm not. So it was really tough for me also as a host to keep that visage. वो शायद उस group बनाने वाला या वाली एक traitor हो, तो it's a lot of manipulation and scheming. और जब मैं देखता था control room में क्या हो रहा है, I was like, भाई ये जो 20 ये players हैं, ये शातिर players हैं. वो पता नहीं कहाँ से Prime, Amazon, निखिल ने चुने इनको, लेकिन I just want to say I was out, like, you know, मैं वहाँ कुछ 12 दिन 14 दिन तक था और मेरे साथ मेरी टीम भी आई थी. मैं एक फिल्म लिख रहा था, कुछ प्रेप भी हो रही थी दूसरी फिल्मों के लिए. वो सब छोड़ छाड़ के काम में कंट्रोल रूम में आके बैठ जाते थे because they wanted to know, like they were watching it lifetime, and then the ones who left would message who got out, who got murdered. Like it was like literally we were all like, I used to wait for Neha, who was running the entire show, to call me in the night and say, okay, X person got, and I would wait, and I was in very sleepy, but at 2 or 3 in the morning मुझे वो information मिल जाती थी, and I was like, okay, now I'll sleep because मुझे पता चल गया. So literally I'm not lying to you. अगर मैं शो में हूँ और मैं इतना invested हूँ, तो आप लोग जो शो के बिल्कुल दूर हैं, आपको मैं बता ही नहीं सकता कि आपके दिल और दिमाग के साथ क्या होने वाला है 12 जून के बाद. ये लोगों से मुझे अब भी डर लगता है. मैं अभी उनको ठीक तरह नहीं मिल पाता हूँ क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ उनके शातिर दिमाग को। भैया ये मेरे इंडस्ट्री के भाई हैं, बहन हैं, दोस्त हैं, कॉलीग्स हैं, लेकिन मैं इनसे हमेशा दूर ही रहूंगा। तो पहले एपिसोड में मैं बोलता हूँ धमाका होने वाला है। लाइक यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सपेक्ट व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन ऑन एपिसोड 1। लाइक लेट मी टेल यू कि at 9 PM sharp you're going to have your jaw dropping. I can assure you.
मुंबई से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट।